If you're thinking about taking a psychology class, whether it's an elective to explore your options before choosing a degree or just for fun, here are some things you should know beforehand. First, psychology covers a wide range of topics. It's often described as the study of how brain functions, behavior, and the environment are connected. There are many subfields, including forensic psychology, child psychology, developmental psychology, media psychology, military psychology, and more. A basic introductory psychology course will usually give you a broad overview of these areas. Second, learning about psychological disorders might make you tempted to self-diagnose or diagnose others. This is a common reaction, as you might see symptoms that seem familiar. It's important to avoid this and consult a professional if you have concerns. Remember, learning about psychology doesn't make you a qualified expert. Third, you won't be learning therapy techniques. While the course may teach you about disorders and their causes, it won't cover how to treat or diagnose them. However, studying psychology can help you recognize when someone might need professional support and encourage them to seek help. It's important not to take on the role of a professional yourself, since that requires much more in-depth training. Fourth, avoid analyzing people. A single psychology class won't give you the skills to read people's minds or diagnose them. Psychology is a scientific field aimed at understanding the human mind to promote well-being and improve lives. Analyzing someone without their permission is inappropriate and should never be done for personal satisfaction. Lastly, remember that psychology is rooted in science. Like any scientific discipline, it relies on research and evidence. In an introductory course, you'll learn about studies, experiments, and how to evaluate their quality. Much of psychology research involves studying relationships between variables, which is known as correlational research. You'll get a good foundation in these concepts during the course. Are you ready to dive into psychology now? It's a fascinating subject with so much to explore. Best of luck if you decide to take the class, and I hope this information helps you make your choice.